What are we doing today?
I don't know yet.
Okay, interesting. Then we will have to
surprise.
decide. Ah, surprise, surprise. Vad romantiska pussar jag får. Det var det. Hello and welcome to this studio vlog day. We're actually doing nails and music today. I just arrived at the studio. Time is 12:15. I have one client today. After that, I am actually heading over to Christian's studio and we are going to record our third single. I'm really looking forward to that. I think this is gonna be our best single so far. And for those of you who don't know, me and my boyfriend Christian, we have a band called Star Cassette, and we create like synthwave, synth pop, retro pop, 80s inspired synth pop music. Yeah. That is what we are going to do today. So this morning I finished up video as well, because as you know, some of the videos that I do, they are in collaboration with ELEGANCE. So that was one of the videos that was ordered from them. So today I just need it to be approved and then it will go up tomorrow evening, I think. Let me go and get it. Oh wait, I can probably bring you with me. I don't have to go and get it. So this is the set that I did and the video of that. So this will go up tomorrow, and by the time you are watching this video, that video will probably be very much uploaded, or else disaster. No, but really it is probably gonna be up. Today we are of course doing a little bit of filming of the set that I'm doing. Don't know what the client is gonna do. I tend to wing it, because if the client is doing something that I can't show you on video, like stuff that I've been doing, oops, like for example at my classes, you know, obviously I can't show that on my YouTube channel, but if she's gonna do something that I haven't done in my classes, I can film it. Or I can maybe even film something for my online platform. I know I've been talking about it for a while now. It is still a work in progress. I have a couple of videos ready, or not, they're not even remotely ready, but at least they are filmed. I need about 10 videos before I launch the online platform. So once again, for those of you who don't know, that is an online platform, education platform. So it's gonna be nail education videos online. So yeah, that's what it is. Okay, so I need to start to get ready and let's start this day. Have it. Here it is. So now you are part of the vlog today. So say hi to the vlog. Wave and smile to the vlog. Hello. So from Moscow. Wow. So how's the weather over there? It's been actually pretty warm here for a couple of days, but now it's a little bit colder maybe. That's what she said. So how long have you been wearing this? 4 weeks?
5 weeks, I think.
5 weeks? Yeah, and it looks really good. What are we doing today?
I don't know yet.
Okay, interesting. Then we will have to decide. Ah, surprise, surprise. client of the day is done. I'm very happy with the nails. They were super pretty. However, I'm gonna show you what I managed to do. Look at that. And that is not even like 1/10 of what I actually spilled. So all in here you can see now that it's not organized anymore, and that is because I dropped the whole in my lap. You know, these things, they're just bound to happen, especially because this is like an old, you know, it's broken even. I don't know why I didn't put it in something that was actually not broken, but you know, life. So I'm just gonna try to pick this up. I don't know if I'm even gonna do that today. I am super hungry, so I need to go and grab something to eat. I think I'm gonna walk around the corner right here and grab some sushi actually. Come back here, eat something real quick, and then head out to Christian's studio to create some music. La 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 la. Yeah, super excited. Just gonna clean this up and then sushi time. As I didn't go with sushi, but something in kind of the same category-ish. Well, it's chicken teriyaki, so it's like shredded chicken. It's very good. So usually I sit in the kitchen and have my food, or usually, sometimes it's like 50-50, depends on my mood. Right now I feel like I want to sit in front of the TV and have my food, so I'm gonna do that. So just eat up real quick and then head out to Christian to do some singing. So this is what chicken teriyaki looks like, and I always ask for extra cucumbers because they have something on it and it's just so good. Okay, so I'm all ready. The studio is now closed for today. I got the worst food coma ever. Like, it was crazy. I crashed in the couch for a little while after I was done eating. Bye bye, studio. Nej men, oj oj oj! Nej men, vad otrevligt! Martin! Hej! Okej, ja. Hej.
Hello. Martin.
Martin, hallå! Får man puss då? Martin! Martin! Får man puss? Ja, man puss! Puss! Oj 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 oj! Martin! Hey, Vincent. Welcome to Christian's studio.
It's mine.
Yes.
Mine alone.
Hey, oh, Martins! Do you want to do the tour?
World tour?
Yes. No, the tour of your studio.
Okay.
Okay. In here?
Here is coffee machine 1.
Coffee machine 1.
There it's on.
Yes. Brand new.
And here's the wine coolers.
There we have the wine.
Beer.
And here we have the PlayStation.
Yes.
And here's like a meeting area. And there's a little kitchen. Here's where we came in. Here's the kitchen number 2. This is Christian's room. Here I have my tea. Right here, of course. Tea stash. Coffee machine number 2. In here is like bathroom stuff. In here, okay, people are in here. I'm not gonna show you that. So that's one room. And here is Christian's room. Ta-ta! So this is where we're gonna record our little song. Hej Martin! Det är fint. Oj, vad fint fick jag den. Get in. And here is one room. Right now they are renovating in here and they are working, so I'm not gonna disturb them, but that room is completely renovated and this one is gonna be kind of renovated as well. And yeah, so we're gonna be in here and I'm gonna be here. Okay. Good room. Vilka romantiska pussar jag får. Det var det. Oh. Nej, men nu. Of course.
Of course, Maros.
Here's Fabes.
Hello.
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 He's the other guy in this studio.
Yes, I am.
Yes.
Yes.
So he's gonna demo his new room.
This is my new room. This
Yes.
is also a door frame.
Yes.
Yes. I
This is
love
the
frames.
so it's actually in here.
Yes, it is.
Yes. So welcome. Okay. Ooh, this is the first time I've seen this since the renovation.
Oh, there is.
Nej. Va?
Oh, that's
Skämtar
Swedish.
du
I'm
eller?
sorry.
Ja.
Yeah, you have to speak English.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Wow. And this ceiling is UV light, right?
Yeah, it is.
It's UV light because you're a cruddy type
Yeah,
of
I
person.
also need to get a tan. I'm always inside.
Ja men hallå, det är hur fint som helst det här. Kolla, åh.
Stroke the flower.
Yes.
Oh yes.
Ja men titta här. So here they are recording podcasts.
Yeah.
Yeah!
And books.
Yeah, and books.
We do.
And books.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. And it's brand new and it looks really nice.
Yeah. It's fantastic.
Fantastic.
Tema-ljusprogrammet.
Oh.
We have the
Känn på det här. Det här är coola
Okej,
saker.
var ska jag filma
måste
någonstans? Var ska jag titta?
ha. Titta på möbeln.
anywhere.
Ja men med kameran.
You know, if you don't pay enough, we have the boring light. So this is the apothecary.
Oh, so it's the same here. Mm.
Yeah, exactly. If you,
That's this the boring light if you don't pay enough money to
Exactly.
be here. Mm.
yeah, and this is more like the cred light.
Oh, the crud light.
Yeah.
Now we got the mood light.
Exactly. And this is this
Oh.
space light.
And this is the party light.
Exactly.
Ooh.
Du måste vänta tills det blir mörkt sen, så då,
Ja.
då kommer det bli, alltså det blir brutalt nice.
Ja,
Vi ska
spännande.
också- Vi kompletterar med lite mer ljus.
Ja, det behövs ju lite mer.
Exakt.
Mm. Oh, and another furry wall. Okay. Oh, and I love the carpet. It's very cozy.
Carpety.
Very carpety. Carpety. Fantastic carpety. Stroking the carpet.
Furry carpet.
Furry carpet. And stroking the dog. Furry dog. And stroking the furry boyfriend. Very nice. I applaud you for
You're welcome.
for spending money on this.
Of course.
Yes.
Too much money.
basically we just wrapped up here and we're gonna go home now and eat and have some dinner because we're hungry. It's like almost 10 p.m. so it's time to go home and eat. We're super happy about the song so far and I am super excited to show you. Guys, so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one. I want to say goodbye to Christian and Fabes maybe. Say godnatt.
Good night.
Good night.
Eller godnatt.
Godnatt.
Good night.
Bye bye.
Ja.